Welcome back students. In this video we are going to understand a very important concept which is POS, that stands for point of sale. Now what is point of sale? Point of sale, from the very name you can derive the point or the place where sale is being realized. Basically it's a point where end user is purchasing from you. Now this is a special sales voucher that need to be created first, and after that we may go ahead and can sell in this particular voucher. So how to do that? First of all, we will have to go to create. Now before I proceed, let me tell you that I have already activated the GST feature. You can do that by going to F11, and there you will find the feature of GST, and we have done that plenty of times, so that's the reason I'm not showing in this particular video. Okay, so from here create, you may see this option of voucher types. So go here, and here we are going to create a special voucher with the name point of sale. So I'm typing the name point of sale. Now this particular voucher is going to be under sale voucher, so I'm selecting sales. Rest of the thing will remain as it is, and here print voucher, after saving we need to convert this into yes. Use of POS invoicing, again yes. Message to print 1, here let's say I'm typing thank you. Message print 2, here I'm typing goods once sold won't be returned, or whatever you want to type you may type. Default title of print, this is an invoice, so I'm typing let's say invoice, copy. Okay, set alter declaration, it has got a by default declaration, yes, convert this into yes, and you may see the declaration. Let me read out for you. We declare that this invoice shows the actual price of the goods described and that all particulars are true and correct. If you want to keep that, you may, or if you want to add something and want to change, you can go ahead and can do that. However, I'm keeping that. Now name of class, we need to create the class of it as well, so I'm giving it a name POS, that stands for point of sale. Now here there are 4 types of ledger. You may see gift voucher, credit, debit card payment, check and cash. Now you need to create the ledger specific to those kind of payment. So for as a gift voucher, if you don't want to receive payment through gift voucher, you can convert this into N, no, and you may go ahead. However, I want to receive, so yes, and ledger I will have to create, so Alt C. Here I am typing gift voucher. Now gift voucher can be from your company also, and it can be from your partner company also. So gift voucher I have selected, it's going to be under sundry debtor. Fine, go ahead and save it. Okay, next is credit and debit card payment. So here you will have to create a ledger for bank, means your bank account. Let's say the company is having the bank account in HDFC, so Alt C, and here I am tapping HDFC. It's going to be under bank accounts. Okay, go ahead and save it as well. Now check and DD, it's also going to be the bank account. I have already created one, so I'm selecting the same bank account. Cash is going to be under cash ledger, so I'm selecting the cash ledger. Now ledger name, here we will have to create the sales ledger, so Alt C, I'm selecting sale. It's going to be under sale account. Not applicable, here GST applicable. Okay, set alter GST, no, here I'm mentioning let's say goods. Okay, set alter tax class, there I have not mentioned, but here I'm going to mention, which is going to be yes, sorry, and here I'm mentioning sales taxable. Fine. Now here we will have to create the duties and taxes component, so it's going to be CGST and SGST in this particular case, so Alt C, and here I'm mentioning let's say CGST. Now it's going to be under duties and taxes, GST, and from here I'm selecting central tax. Okay, yes. Now next I'm going to create SGST. Again it's going to be under duties and taxes, GST, state tax. Go ahead and save this as well. Now we have done everything. Go ahead and save this special voucher. Now we need to do the sell under this voucher. So let me go to voucher here, press F8. From here you have created the voucher which is point of sale. Select that one, select the class. You have created the class as POS, so select this one. Great. Now party account name, first we will have to create the party. So Alt C, here I am mentioning the party, let's say Ram. It's going to be under sundry data. Okay, now name, address if you want to, here I'm mentioning the address. Okay, if you have got further details you can mention it, and otherwise you can skip that as well. Fine. Okay, so I'm saving this detail of party. Next thing is to create the item. So Alt C, and here I am typing, let's say, a refrigerator. Now it's going to be measured in pieces, so Alt C, here I'm mentioning pieces. Okay, here also I'm selecting pieces as a UQC code. Fine. GST applicable, yes. Set alter, yes. From here I'm selecting on value, from here I'm selecting taxable. The overall rate is going to be 18%. It's going to be on goods. Okay, and save it. Now price I'm mentioning, let's say 20,000. Fine. Now the moment I have done this, you may see the CGST and SGST component is automatically calculated. Overall price is coming as 23,600 that need to be collect from RAM. Now there are 4 ways we can collect this. First you can see as a gift voucher. So let's say as a gift voucher he has 5,000 as a currency, so 5,000 we have collected as a gift voucher. Now as a debit and credit card, so let's say through credit card he has made the payment of, let's say, another 6,000. Okay, here you can mention the card number as well, or you may skip that part as well. I'm skipping that part. Now as a check, let's say he has made the payment of 7,000. Fine, rest of the amount is 5,600, and out of 5,000, let's say 5,600, he has made the cash payment of 6,000. Balance is 400 which is coming. Narration if you want to give you may, however we are done here almost. Enter, accept, and here you may see it will ask you to print the invoice. Now let me go to the preview in order to show you that. So here you will see that invoice copy is coming. Here we have got the bill number, date, address, the price of the product, the CGST and SGST component into it, overall price, how the payment has been made, and whatever declaration we have done, everything is here. So this is how POS or point of sale need to be taken care in the company. This is it for the video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.